Hi!
Hello everybody! Hello, good evening!
I just want to say happy 70th birthday, Daddy! I wish and pray to our Lord God to give you many more birthdays to come, especially good health. I love you and we miss you so much. Hi, Daddy!
Hello, Daddy! It's your 70th birthday, so enjoy. We were praying to the Lord that bigyan ka pa ng mas mahaba pang buhay, mas marami pang buhay para makita yung mga apo at mga paano sila mag-grow, na makita silang poging lolo. Okay? So, happy birthday, Daddy, and we love you and we miss you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Daddy! Come on, say
Come on, say happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Daddy! Say it! Happy birthday! Pasensya na po, may topak. Sige po. Enjoy! Enjoy the night!
Enjoy kayong lahat dyan! Enjoy! Kain nyo kami!